So, the Lune Pro sleep mask is marketed as a premium sleep accessory designed to block out light and make it easier to get comfortable at bedtime. But the biggest thing to remember is that a sleep mask can help create a darker sleep environment, not magically fix every sleep problem. I'd also pay close attention to the fit. Independent testing of premium sleep masks shows that comfort, light leakage, strap pressure, and whether the mask stays in place can vary significantly from person to person. Another thing the marketing doesn't always emphasize is maintenance. Sleep experts recommend washing sleep masks regularly, particularly if you're wearing them every night, so check whether Lune Pro can be easily cleaned without damaging the materials. So, is Lune Pro worth buying? It could be useful if you need to block bedroom or travel light, but I'd compare its materials, fit, adjustability, cleaning instructions, and price against established alternatives before paying a premium. Overall, don't buy a sleep mask based purely on claims about better sleep. The most important test is whether it actually blocks light comfortably and stays in place throughout the night. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.